Oh, hey there, YouTube. Well, I think I'm going to go ahead and throw these on the 2001 F-150 Super Crew. I've got, even though I just put brand new tires on that truck, those are 16-inch wheels. I wasn't exactly sure if those were off of an F-150 or an Expedition on there, but I was able to Google them and find them. Those are from a 98 Expedition, those wheels that are on there. They're 16 by 7's. So they're sharp looking wheels, don't get me wrong, but they're not as perfect as these are. And also these are 17 by 7.5, so they're of course 17, an inch taller and half an inch wider. And these have always been my favorite wheel. These are the ones they've used on the King Ranch and like probably Eddie Bauer's, and I believe they use these on both the Expedition and the F-150. I think, I could be wrong. But anyways, these have always been my favorite Ford wheel for that, as far as factory goes, for that generation of trucks. And these wheels are just as pristine as they can be. There's no curb rash, there's no scratches, there's nothing going on. These are perfect. So, well, hey there, kitty. So I'm going to take them down in a couple days when I have some 17-inch rubber put on them. And I mean, they're just flawless as flawless can be. And the main reason I'm going to do this is because those tires I got on there, I can't get a good ride out of them unless I let the air pressure down to like 30 psi, and I don't like running it that low. I jack the truck up one wheel at a time and check the run out on the tires, and a couple of them are pretty decent. One of them so-so, and one of them's got a good, well, heck, I'm gonna say it's about at least 1/4 of an inch a run out. So I think that's my vibration. But these look better anyway, and throw some rubber on these and throw these puppies on the old F-150 Super Crew. Alright guys, let me know what you think.